Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys everything that I do when I come home from out of town or on a vacation. The one thing that I have to do when I come home is unpack right away, because if I don't, it will never get done. So I thought I would take you guys along with me and show you guys my little routine that I do every time I come home. And yeah, let's get started. So usually I always clean my house before I leave anywhere so that I don't have to worry about doing any of that when I come home. So the only thing I usually do is unpack and get our laundry started and everything like that. So I love to start off by lighting one of my favorite candles. This is Winter Morning, but it smells so good. I just love to use it year around. So I'm just going to go ahead and knock out my kids' suitcase first. I am going to go ahead and sort out their dirty laundry and get all of that in the washing machine as soon as possible so I can go ahead and put all their clothes away. Luckily, all of the rest of their clothes have been cleaned and somewhat folded. My biggest tip is to try to do your laundry if you can, if you are on vacation or if you're visiting somebody. Try to get your laundry clean before you come, so that is just one less thing you have to do. And of course, our suitcases never look the same way that they look when we first pack them. When we pack our clothes to come home, I kind of just get them clean and somewhat fold them and put them in the suitcase. They are separated from my 4-year-old and my 2-year-old, so it just makes it a little bit more easy to just go ahead and throw them in the dresser. If you guys are wondering where I got their suitcase from, I got it from Target, and it was like a part of a special like family and child like travel line. They had a bunch of like blue and yellow themed things there. It was really cute. I think they still have it, and if they do, I will link it below because it is so durable. We've already used it a ton and we love it. And onto my suitcase. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. I usually like to have a bunch of my loose things on this side. My toiletry bag, my makeup bag, shoes, and just stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to unpack. This is my favorite hairspray so far. It's the Living Proof Humidity Shield and my heat protectant spray. And of course those items are for when I had my hair straight. This is my little jewelry pouch that I used for this trip. I didn't bring a lot of jewelry, so I just went ahead and put it in this linen jewelry pouch that I got from J. Crew, and I'm just going to put all of that back in my jewelry box. This is my favorite body butter by Josie Moran. I highly recommend it. I love that stuff. Next, I'm just going to be taking out all of my tops in this packing cube, and I'm going to lay them all down in a pile so that I can go ahead and hang them and put them back in my closet. I like to do everything in sections as far as unpacking. I usually like to use my medium-sized packing cubes for like my lounge clothes or pajamas because I don't have a lot of those that I bring with me, so that just fits perfect in there. Okay, now let's unpack my makeup. I love this glow kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use it for eyeshadow and highlight. All of the colors work so nice on my skin tone. So the way I keep my makeup, I put it in a clear cube with the drawers, kind of like a system, and I keep it underneath my sink. That is how I store my makeup. I don't like to put it on top of my countertops because we just don't have that much space up there. So this has been working pretty well for me. After I'm done with this, I'm just going to move on to my toiletries and get that knocked out. Toiletries. I did not bring a lot of toiletries with me, so it just makes it really easy to unpack my toiletries and get those put away. I didn't even bring my full skincare routine. I literally just bought the things that I have to have, like my basic necessities, and that was it. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my cleansing oil out of my little container and I'm going to put it back into my Sephora container so that I can get these bottles cleaned and ready for the next trip. So now that I'm done unpacking everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the boys ready for bed. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.